Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find trending songs on TikTok. Find trending songs on TikTok easily. So let's get started. So here we are in TikTok, and once you're here, in order for you to find the trending songs, is very simple. All you have to do is tap on the magnifying glass or the search button on the top right of your screen, and from here, just search for trending sounds. So you want to tap on that and search for this right here, and right away you would be able to see the trending sounds pane right here. So you want to tap on see more, and this is basically the trending sounds or songs on your area. So as you can see, these are Filipino sounds right here, or Filipino songs. That is because I'm in the Philippines, so I would be finding the Filipino songs or sounds right here. So it would also greatly depend on the region that you are in. And yeah, these are your trending songs. And when you go back, you can also go here. Let's go here again, trending sounds. And from here, what you want to do is tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and tap on filters. And in this way, you would be able to filter what you will be able to see here in the results. So from here, you can see here in the date posted, you can tap on the past 24 hours or this week right here. In this way, you will be only able to see the most recent trending songs or sounds that is in TikTok. So tap on past 24 hours, tap on apply right there, and then you should be able to see the trending songs right here. As you can see, there is only one for me, so I can go and make that bigger by tapping on next week, and then I would have more videos here. And you can also go for the sort by relevance, like count, posted, or video categories right here. So that is how you can find it here in the search feature of TikTok. And then another thing is you can tap on the plus button here or the upload button. And from here, basically, you would just need to tap on add sound. Once you're here, you want to tap here in discovery, and basically here in the recommended, these are the trending songs right here that is available for you to use. And as you can see, I can only use the songs that are licensed for commercial use because I am currently in my business account. And then now let's go back right here. And then another tip or last tip is that you want to make sure that you tap on the favorite icon or the flag icon right here to add it as your favorites, and then you can just browse them later on. In this way, you would be able to use it when you would need it, because you would only do this to those songs that you think has the potential to go viral. And remember that having a trending song is not always better, especially if it is too popular or too saturated, because it would get really hard to stand out unless you have something that would make you different or stand out from the rest, because we have seen account that performs well when you do that. So yeah, those are basically the methods on how you can find the trending songs on TikTok. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.